In China, two styles of organizational leadership are common: authoritarianism and benevolence. But when, why, and how do these two seemingly contradictory styles coexist? Scholars suggest that Chinese leaders' simultaneous display of authoritarianism and benevolence can be manifest through two distinct orientations: development and exploitation. Leaders with development orientations feel obligations to help employees because they believe that developing employees eventually grows their organizations. So when an employee makes mistakes or manifests a desire to grow, the manager will couple authoritarianism with benevolence in ways that achieve employees' growth. For example, instead of rejecting an unqualified employee for a promotion, one manager hired an English tutor so the employee could improve his fluency and eventually qualify, all the while making it clear that if the company were paying for the tutor, then the employee had to attend classes. In this way, the employee wasn't simply handed the promotion, but was helped to achieve it. But business leaders with exploitative orientations often felt that community needs came before those of the employees. In these relationships, managers often corrected employees in authoritarian fashions, only later following up with benevolence. Managers alternated between authoritarianism and benevolence when it suited their objectives, leaving some employees feeling emotionally drained over time. Can a business leader be authoritarian and benevolent? If this question intrigues you, then you may want to read this paper.